Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Karimat. If this is your first time stopping by, welcome to my channel. I post awesome recipes, so be sure to subscribe. I don't have a recipe video today. I'm just gonna be doing a vlog. So welcome to another episode of staying at home and social distancing. We're still here, we're still staying at home. I've just been at home for the past 4 or 5 days now. Today is Thursday and I've not stepped out of the house since Sunday. But I think I'm gonna go back to my place this weekend because I also have to work on Saturday, so I think I'm gonna just go back to my place after work. I've been staying with my sister. I came here last Friday and today's Thursday, so I've been here for almost a week because it was getting kind of boring staying at home by myself, especially with the news and everything going on. So I had to come here before I lose my sanity. So and I've just been filming recipes and all that. That's pretty much what I've done. Yeah, that's what I spent the most time on too, because classes are gonna start back online on Mondays, and probably will have exams and assignments back to back. Most likely we'll not have time to like film new videos, so I'm very happy that I was able to make this recipe. So I have lots of recipes coming. Make sure that you subscribe so you don't miss any of them. Yeah, but I've just spent the past few days to reorganize my files and documents on my computer. I realized that I was running out of space, I think because of the videos and also because I just had too much junk on there. So I had to delete some things to make space and also like reorganize my stuff because it's my last semester in the classroom in pharmacy school. Next year is gonna be just rotations, so I want to make sure that all of my resources and notes are organized. Because you really can't remember everything, which is part of why I'm going to Walmart just now. I need to pick up a few things. I need a new binder because I want to print out some guidelines so it's easy to like look up things during rotations. I'm supposed to start rotations in exactly 2 months. That's if everything goes according to plan. There's been a lot of changes with the pandemic, so we really don't know. Hopefully things will stay the same. So inshallah, rotations are gonna start in 2 months. I'm very excited because we won't have exams and quizzes and things like that anymore. But it's still gonna be challenging though, because your girl don't remember a whole lot of stuff, so I really need to catch up on things, and that's why I want to make that guideline book so it's easy for me to just you know, stay updated and remember some stuff. Okay, yeah. So I switched to my phone. I'm just about to head to Walmart. The weather is actually pretty nice, although it's raining, but it's really not as cold. Spring is almost here anyways. Actually, I think it's spring officially, right?
It's officially spring, yeah.
Yeah, spring is officially here anyway. So Walmart actually looks a lot fuller than it did the last time I came here. They didn't have a lot of stuff when I was here the last time, but I think they were able to restock, which is really good. They still don't have some things though, but it's a lot better than it was last week, so that's good. So we're back in the house now. I'm gonna start preparing dinner shortly. We're having tacos for dinner. But first, I'm gonna have a little bit of ice cream. I got this Halo Top strawberry cheesecake ice cream. It's my first time trying this brand. It's alright. Probably won't buy it again. So I'm about to start making my taco meat. This is what I'm going to be using for that. I have my ground beef here. I have some salt, paprika, black pepper, some seasoning cube, ground ginger, ground cumin, and some crushed garlic. These are usually the seasonings that I use whether I'm making shrimp tacos or chicken or beef, and then I have the rest of the ingredients here for the actual tacos. So yeah, let's get started. Oh, and I forgot to show the onion. I'm gonna use a little bit of onion as well. So I'm gonna put a little bit of vegetable oil in the pan, just a little bit to fry the onions. Then once it's nice and brown, I'm gonna add the ground beef to it. Now I'm I'm going to add in all the seasonings. I'm gonna put the salt, some paprika. I'm using 2.5 tablespoons, so that's 1 tablespoon of paprika, or half of a tablespoon of ground ginger, half of a tablespoon of crushed garlic, half of a tablespoon of black pepper, half tablespoon of ground cumin, and half of a seasoning cube. And I'm just gonna stir. And you can see that the meat has already produced its own oil, so we have a lot more oil than I started out with, which is why you shouldn't put too much oil at the beginning, because it's gonna be really oily. Put a little bit more cumin and some water. And I'm gonna put the other half of the seasoning cube, so that'll make 1 complete cube. So we'll leave that to cook, and I'm gonna put a little bit of tomato paste. I'm gonna turn off the heat and just let it cool. I already have my cabbage chopped. Usually I would use lettuce, but I forgot to get lettuce at the store, and we had some cabbage at home, so we're just gonna use cabbage for tonight. And I have some cheese, some sour cream, avocados. I'm not really a big fan of guac, so I usually just use avocados only, and then tomatoes and lemon. I don't like tomatoes as well, but my sister does. So I'm just gonna warm up the tortilla. So about 20 to 30 seconds on each side, and that should be good enough. Turn off the heat and just let it cool while